That's what I do.
You fuck chickens?
No, I fuck bitches. Fuck a lot of bitches. No, I don't.
You got the Mandingo.
I got Mandingo though. African warrior, Mandingo, African warrior. What it do, baby? What it do? Look, you ain't call me at this number at the bottom of the screen.
He doesn't even know.
I know. I'm looking right at the camera. Yeah, I know what it is.
I know this time.
You didn't call me.
You think your voice is fine? I didn't know on recording my voice is this. This is what my voice is.
That's what your voice sounds like. That's what you sound like all the time. All the time.
Mine's just this, blah, blah.
I don't even know where it comes from.
Mine's just,
You can come at the number at the bottom of the screen. That's what I gotta say. The bottom of the screen, give me a call. I'll fuck shit out your bitch. Cause you bitch ass niggas ain't doing it right.
Hey.
I'll show her the right way.
I'll do it the right way. I'll fuck bitches.
With my furry collar, I'll show her the right
Sniffles
way.
that Tyyler.
I didn't realize my voice is just a bass line. I go, blah, 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 blah.
That's what I do. I fuck bitches.
I know.
That's what you sound
I
like.
know how y'all know what I said, because my shit's blah, blah, blah.
We don't know either.
Listen,
We just nod and smile. Okay.
listen. Bring Ugly Betty here. I'll fuck Ugly Betty first, and then she'll tell you how it is.
Ugly Betty. Oh my god, I gotta piss.